Cancer, welcome to your 1 till 9 May reading. And this is such a powerful time for you, Cancer. It is such a powerful time for you where everything is just flowing towards you. This is a time for you to leave the past in the past. Okay? Leave the past in the past. Whoever did whatever, let karma deal with that. You are growing and moving into and merging into a space of such abundance, such prosperity, such success. Okay? It is absolutely, absolutely beautiful for you, especially May, starting with this powerful, full moon, flower moon in Scorpio. It is incredible for you. This is a time for your garden to bloom. And you've got the 10 of Cups. This is your heart's desires coming through. This is wish fulfillment coming true. This is happy family life. This is happy family dynamic. It brings the family. It brings the love. This is wishes coming true. This is dreams coming true. If it resonates with you, go ahead, place your hand on your heart, take a breath and say yes. And before we draw you more clarifying cards, I want to send you distance Reiki energy from my heart for your highest and best interest so that your dream can come true. And if you're saying yes to that, hand on the heart, nicely breath, say yes. Write in the comments, I accept, I am ready, because this is your period of tremendous abundance. Tremendous abundance. This is not drippity drop. This is huge. Okay? You know how difficult things used to be in the past? You are about to get the benefit of everything now. You've got the 7 of Pentacles. Focus on what you want, not on the little things that are not working. The 8 of Swords. You got the Emperor energy, the Aries energy, new beginnings energy. Okay? Don't focus on what isn't working. Don't focus on what can go wrong. This is a time when your energy, Cancer, is so powerful. You want to focus it on what you do want, not on what you don't want. You want to focus it on what can go right, not on what can go wrong. Okay? This is an energy of embracing the dreams of your heart, because this is a space in which your dreams are coming true, and it is peaceful and it is harmonious and it can gently flow. It doesn't have to be challenging. It doesn't have to be difficult. It can be easy. It's like the Spirit is saying, Cancer, let me take care of this for you. Let me usher this in for you. Let me bring in this golden age for you. It is so beautiful. I cannot wait to see what is next for you, my beautiful, incredible Cancer. Let us know in the comments, what are you ready for? Where in the world we are connecting from? Namaste, love and light.